Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Grandma Joe. I pre-opened it and I turned it upside down so no addresses will show. So I'm going to take the envelope out, and she wrapped everything in a piece of paper. Now, this is the first time I'm seeing everything and I love this. It's all embossed. I like the framing around it. Pretty neat, huh? I have, I think, two of these. Okay. Two of these. Hmm. There we go. Um, there's, I think, two of these. Everything's two of each. Okay. We got two of these. A tag. And there is two of these. And last but not least, two of these. So we have flowers. No, I don't want to rip them. A tag. More bigger flowers. These are, these are leaves. Cool. There we go. We got these uh, leaves, or yeah, they're leaves. Let me see the other side. Okay, just checking. And we have this uh, card front. So that's everything in the envelope. And in closing, I would say please be kind, be crafty, be creative, be blessed, be safe, be kind, give a like, a share, and leave a comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. And also, don't forget that thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Hugs to everyone, and bye-bye for now.